What is a microservice? Let's understand this with a simple story. Imagine Shivani runs a small restaurant. She builds one single app to manage everything, like taking food orders, collecting payments, and managing delivery. Everything is inside one big application. Now, one day the payment part stops working. What happens? Even though the kitchen is ready, orders are coming, and delivery boys are available, the entire app crashes. There are no orders, no delivery, and hence no business. Pause and think for a moment. Why did a small payment issue stop the entire restaurant business? Because everything was built as one big connected system. This is called a monolithic system. In a monolithic system, all features live together. All parts depend on each other. If one part fails, everything fails. Now let's change the design. Instead of one big app, Shivani builds separate small services. One service only for orders, one service only for payments, and one service only for delivery. Each service works independently. Now, if the payment service goes down, customers can still browse the menu, orders can still be placed, delivery system can still work. Only payments are temporarily unavailable. The business does not completely stop. This is called microservices. Microservices mean breaking a big system into small independent services. Each service does one job. Each service can fail without breaking the whole system. So what's the takeaway? Microservices reduce business risk. Instead of one small problem shutting down everything, only the affected part stops, and the rest of the business continues running. That's why modern companies prefer microservices architecture.